Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to fix TikTok guest request not working. If you're experiencing issues within the TikTok guest request feature not working, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to fix the problem. First is you need to check the internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Guest requests may not work properly if your connection is weak or intermittent. Also, you can simply update the TikTok app. What you have to do is go to the Play Store and look out for the TikTok app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve the issue. You can also restart the app, open the TikTok app, and simply close it out. And this can sometimes resolve temporary glitches or issues within the app. You can simply log out or log back in. Try logging out of your TikTok account and then log back in. This can refresh your account settings and may resolve the guest request issue. Or if the issue still persists, what you have to do is simply uninstall TikTok app and reinstall back again. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.